and welcome to Element Z3. Story time. The peas and the sneeze. Are you ready? This is Louise, who is eating some peas. This is the breeze that will make Louise sneeze. This is a sneeze blowing into the peas. And these are the peas bouncing off through the trees. These are the trees with a circus of fleas. These are the fleas who are bending their knees. These are the knees that are knocking the peas. And these are the peas on a flying trapeze. These are the teas being drunk by the bees. These are the bees with a big wheel of cheese. This is the cheese being pushed by the peas. And these are the peas which are starting to freeze. These are the pleas as the class waits for the skis. These are the skis being brought by Aziz. This is Aziz being struck by the peas. And these are the peas heading off with the skis. Stop! Shouts Aziz, running after the skis. Here come the bees, who are chasing their cheese. Some of the fleas are still mending their knees. And poor old Louise would just like some more peas. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for staying tuned. Do like, share and subscribe to Element Z3 for more interesting story. See you another time.